What's going on, guys? My name is Michael and this is
Marissa.
And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are doing the handcuff challenge, but we don't have handcuffs. So we're going to use some duct tape. And instead of having the slack of the handcuff, we're going to be right against each other, so it's going to be a little bit harder for us.
Yeah.
So
I'm going to take my hair tie off because I don't want to get
we're doing it this way?
Yeah, well this way because
okay.
My right-handed. I'm not left-handed, so that's
I'm ambidextrous.
Lucky for you.
So we're going to get right into that. We're going to... What all do we have planned today?
Okay, so we're going to be making lunch, doing laundry, dishes, and using the restroom and other things. Probably.
Daily life. Pretty much we're just going to be going through our daily life just stuck together.
Yeah, so...
Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
And let's get right to this video.
Yep. Okay, so we're in our kitchen.
I got the duct tape ready.
Are you... I don't know how we're doing this.
I got it. Make sure that you're done.
Yeah. That feels good on hair. Ow.
You better hold it tight.
Hold on to what?
Because it's going to pull your hair, baby.
I noticed.
Oh my gosh.
That's really tight, Marissa. Keep going. It'll loosen up. Ow.
2,000 years later.
We're now stuck together.
Oh wait. Ow. It hurts fire. Ow, baby. Ow. Okay. Ooh, that hurts. Ow.
Alright, what are we doing first?
Okay, so we're hungry right now. It's already 12:38 p.m. EST right now. So we're making lunch. What do you want to eat?
I don't know. We're gonna have to look for something to eat.
Yeah, okay, my, ow, it hurt my hand, it hurts. Ow, ow. They hurt.
We got cheese sticks.
Ow.
There's cheese sticks and chicken nuggets.
Wait. Ow. I'm gonna make chicken nuggets.
You're gonna make chicken nuggets? I'll just have a couple.
I gotta get a paper towel to clean this?
Yeah. This is hard to record too.
Wait, come here.
It's just a little burnt cheese.
Come here.
I'm right there. There's nothing else I can do.
Man, I vacuumed yesterday too. Ow. It hurts so much. Dang it. Ow, babe. That hurt.
When I got an itch, I'm gonna itch it.
Yeah, right.
Ow!
That's just cute. Look, I don't like this. It's a mess looking like that. Okay, now I'm putting my chicken on. Do you want some?
Yes.
How many you want?
Depends on how many hands you're using.
I'm trying to use my left hand. Like this. Okay, so there's 4 right there.
I just have me 4. That's fine. Little 4-piece. Little 4-piece chicken nugget.
Look at this chicken.
It's weird.
Okay, I'm spreading them out. I love these, and they're really good. So. Now I gotta put the bag up and then ow! Hey, wait.
I'm not doing
I
anything.
have to bring it down here because I can't close it with my left. And I'm put the camera up a little bit. And I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna get my Sprite. I have to go in the bedroom and pour me ice in the cup because I like it in the cup sometimes. Ow, your nerve is really bad. Okay, now I'm getting my cup because I'm thirsty.
I'm just being drug along.
My cup? Yeah,
She steals my cups.
oh
for
wait, I
beer
need
pong.
ice first. Ice. Now I have to pour water in it too.
Why do you have to... Oh. Need help? Is that enough ice?
Yeah, I put 2 in there. Okay, now I have to pour Sprite in it because I love Sprite with
I don't
ice.
want to do dishes with you.
Too bad.
Ow!
Did you get it?
It ripped my hair out, Marissa.
It hurts my wrist.
Shut up. No one cares about your wrist.
It twists it. It hurts.
You ain't even got arm hair.
Okay, now I got my Sprite.
Oh, you got a Sprite. Who
In
cares?
my cup, and I'm gonna pour it in there. Ow, move! Stop! Come on, hurry up, you so bad.
For someone with such little legs, you walk pretty quick.
Okay, now okay.
Ooh, just pour a Sprite, guys.
Yeah, I'm thirsty. Aren't you thirsty? Do you want water or something? Stop! Stop, babe! If this spills over, I'm gonna blame it on you.
I'm not pouring it.
Okay, now to crush the can. Come
Oh
here.
my gosh. This isn't a tutorial on how to make Sprite cups. Pour Sprite.
There you go. Okay, now we got my Sprite. Ah, it tastes good. Okay.
Your turn to hold the camera.
Okay, fine. I'm not good with left hand. Left hand. What are you? Oh, that great. Gosh, it looks so horrible with me holding this. I'm so short too. What are you doing?
I'm filling up the ice tray.
Are you now? Wow. I literally look really bad.
It's hot.
You're supposed to do it with the water bottle, not with that.
Oh, you're right.
He totally forgot what to do. Okay. Now you have to go in the back and give me a water bottle.
You gotta quit running.
Well,
You're inside.
And there's stairs right here, so I kind of.
Oh gosh, stairs, Mercy.
Ow, ow. Wait. Ow.
Sorry.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ow, ow, babe. Quit.
Sorry.
Ow. Quit, that hurts. You pull my skin.
Yeah. How's it feel?
It hurts. I really look for. Ow! Quit. Oh, dang it. See, he's pouring water into the ice cube. So you see. Ow. You're making a mess, you know.
Yeah, I know, Marissa. I don't have fully functioning wrists.
Now you have to open it. Okay. Now I have to put the chicken in the oven.
First of all, space these out a little, Jesus.
Look at us. Maybe hold the camera. I'm not good at this. One-handed again. Don't burn my hand, please. Okay, your turn to hold the camera. Cause I look really bad.
All right, we'll pick this back up here in a few minutes when we get our food done. We gotta stay like this, Marissa. So we're still stuck together. We were watching TV.
And his sister.
Yep, my sister just showed up. What's up?
Clean my car out.
You gonna clean your car?
Yeah.
There's much sugar in the back of it. Dude, if I don't clean it out, a bunch of ants. What?
No, you're pulling
What
it.
are you doing?
We're doing a video, and we're stuck together.
We needed a video idea, and this is the only thing we came up with, so. It's so horrible.
Yeah, it sucks.
Oh, wait.
Okay, my sister's downstairs cleaning the car. We're still stuck together. The circulation is being cut off in my hand, so it sucks.
Mine too.
But our chicken nuggets are almost done.
I feel sorry for you. I look horrible right now. I'm sorry. I look really bad.
I could be so mean right now.
Don't.
Don't.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
Stop.
I don't want to talk like that.
I don't talk like that.
Ow! 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 Babe, quit. That hurts.
Wait,
Ow.
it hurts.
You pull my. Ow.
Yeah, it hurts.
I see a lot of hair of yours on me.
I know, it hurts.
Let's pull them off. It's sort of like stuck to it.
I'm checking on these chicken nuggets. They're done.
Look at, I just pulled one off. I don't think you
Here.
see it, but.
Hold the camera. I'm getting this chicken nuggets out. Our kitchen's a mess. I don't even know what this paper towel's doing there.
That's my paper towel. Okay, so now he's getting the oven out. It's not showing your face, so I'm sorry. Okay, guys. It's kind of hard to angle it the right way, but... Are you sure they're done? How does they look?
They're air fried nuggets. How are they supposed to look? I'm just snacking on
I
it.
need ketchup.
I know. Don't worry, I'll go get it.
Baby.
It hurts, don't it?
Yes, it does. I feel like to pee again, too. Okay, so thank you so much. Not too much, that's about it. I don't eat that much ketchup. Okay, now.
I gotta put the ketchup up.
Of course you do.
I don't want to get hot. I hate when people let their ketchup sit out.
Okay, now how am I supposed to eat in there?
Oh, that's a lot of salt.
My
Okay.
drink.
Okay, we'll come back. We'll come back.
Okay.
You need to learn how to hold that camera. Here, let me see the camera.
Okay.
Or here.
You take the camera.
Okay. Let's go get Marissa's drink.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
We're sitting down.
Yay.
Okay, so I'm stuck eating like this. One-handed, boys. And girls.
You didn't see me eat.
Okay, we'll be back, guys. Okay, we're done eating. I'm letting Marissa get up.
Oh,
Yeah.
let me have your plate.
With what hand?
There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Jesus.
Finished
Okay.
eating.
I gotta take out trash later, I guess.
Okay.
It's not full yet, though.
Ow, you stepped on my...
I stepped on her foot, guys. She's mad.
Now I gotta get the clothes out of the dryer. That's it.
My pants are falling.
It's gonna be hard.
We need a cameraman for videos like this.
Yeah. Okay, got the clothes. Shut the thing. Come on.
You know those romantic walks on the beach where they're like... This is so awkward. The circulation's cut off in my hand and it hurts really bad. Okay, now what?
Oh. I think it could be really bad too.
Let's go pee. Front or back bathroom?
I really do have to pee.
Okay.
It's just over the door, but my sister.
I'll stand out here.
3,000 years later.
Better.
You want to wash your hands?
No.
Oh my god. Too much right now? Oh, you're about to do dishes.
I had a drink first. I'm thirsty.
Yeah, you drink that drink.
Alright.
Are you doing dishes?
Yeah.
Okay.
First of all, I'm wiping the counter because it's wet and I don't want to get my shirt soaking. Because that happens to me all the time. You set the can like that. That way you don't want to hold it.
Okay, well, let's get this going. This is boring.
Yeah, it's Call of Duty Disney. It's gonna be boring.
I don't like it.
I know you don't. Put the bowls up. Still ain't look green.
It's probably because you washed it.
I was in a rush yesterday, okay? Side company.
Mm-hmm. Ow.
What?
Okay, guys, I'm pretty sure you don't want to see that. This is our daily life, though, but I'm stuck to it pretty much.
He gives up.
No, I'm not giving up yet.
What are you gonna do then?
I don't know. We need to think of something more entertaining.
Okay. Who you gonna raise each other?
A race. That...
Ow!
I win.
That hurts. That hurts so bad.
Now she knows why a race is a bad idea.
Ouch. I'm sweating, but let's
Yeah, I know. I'm sweating real bad. I can't feel my hand. It's completely numb now.
Okay, we'll take your hand off.
It's cutting off the circulation from the bottom.
Oh well. I'm gonna cut it off.
No.
Babe, your hand.
I had to pull my pants up. I only have one hand. But guys, I guess that's the video. We attempted to... What is this? The handcuff challenge?
Yeah.
But that was like
we
our
did
daily
duct
life,
tape.
pretty much.
Yeah, but we duct taped ourselves.
Yeah, we need to get actual handcuffs and do this again.
Sorry guys, it was horrible. We tried though.
Yeah,
Ow. My head hurts.
so does mine.
Alright, I'm gonna cut this off.
But we love you guys as always. I'm Michael and this is...
Marissa.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below.
And subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.